this spot is cute. And I literally just was like writing out my business plan because I have a new business that I'm about to launch. Holla. I like to leave the house and make it a point to be productive. When girls get their nails done and they Millie Rock to everything so you can see that fresh set. Why did you do that? You so aggy. Go. Out in these streets. I'm not even gonna introduce you because people be in my business as it is. So I'm gonna just wait on this hate mail to come my way. Out with the girls today. Hey. Cheryl, what are you doing? Who are you texting?
Nobody yet.
We are heading to the Taste of Charlotte.
Go to it. When you meet someone at the bar,